Hi, my name is Lisa. I'm a project manager at HQ Software company.
Hi, my name is Anton. I'm a Unity developer at the same company.
Lisa, can you briefly describe the main idea behind this project?
A children's doctor from Australia reached out to us with an idea to create an AR journey to support somehow children on their way from waiting room to the surgery theater. He wanted an augmented reality experience that would overlay a pirate ship, sea animals, and other funny elements onto the real hospital environment. The main goal to make their paths less scary and more like an adventure, while letting kids still see the parents.
What was your first reaction when the doctor described the idea of a pirate ship covering a hospital bed?
The first reaction was, wow, this idea is so cool and kind. It helps children feel less scary during this way from waiting room to surgery, and helps their parents to feel better. So it was a great motivation for us to work on this project.
Which parts of the storyline were the doctor's idea and which did the team develop?
The whole experience, I may say, it's total cooperation of our team and the doctor's effort. We brought some details into his initial design, or what we've added initially from our side. It was steering of the ship to make it not only interesting adventure, but some kind of a game mechanic that every user can interact with the steering wheel and to feel like a real pirate and a real captain.
Can you walk us through the main stages of development from concept approval to final testing?
Okay, a couple of words about augmented reality. AR means that we use camera to show real environment and then add digital objects on top. So that's why the child still can see the parents and surroundings. Then about the project. So when the concept was approved, we wrote a short story, like storyboard. Then we found some 3D models that fit pirate idea. So it was a sheep, parrot, sea animals, and other elements. After that, we put everything together in AR application, tested how it looks in real space, and even added tiny VR fragment. It was a virtual cave. In the end, we tested the application with the customer. He tested in his real hospital, provided us with the feedback, and we just fixed the last bugs.
What were the biggest technical challenges in building this AR experience?
While the whole project was quite simplistic, considering the technology and code base, the tricky part was to create a smooth sailing experience, which considered tuning up the position and rotation of the ship relative to the player's body position, and to make allow player to move smoothly, rotate its head, and behave like a kid.
What was the biggest challenge you faced in managing this project? How did you overcome it?
There were a couple of challenges during this project. First, we initially planned this project for Apple Vision Pro device, but then we had to switch to Meta Quest the third. It was some difficulties to update the storyboard to the new device. It took time. The next challenge, not even challenge, but even a feature of this project, that the project is social, with fixed budget, but without strict requirements. So we had to be creative and flexible, but taking into account the budget.
As I know you've used meta-spatial anchors in the projects, could you provide us with some implementation details?
Yeah, sure. We've been using default functionality of this SDK, Meta SDK, Spatial SDK, which allowed us to create, delete, load, and save anchors, and then use them across the whole building, any type of building, on different levels, different floors. What we've added is the linear functionality. When we show and activate every next anchor after we reach the previous one, which allowed us to work with objects that may be placed too far from the player. So that's how we resolve this possible type of conflict.
What features or effects from this project do you like the most?
For me personally, as a sailor, I appreciate the steering feature. This is the core feature of the whole project that allows me to feel that as a part of this experience. Another thing, which is not an effect or feature, it's a creature. It's my fellow physio friend, which is always talking the right things and feel me like I have a friend.